Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 24th of December. It's Monday, 2018. It's 4:28 a.m. Reno, Nevada. We are going to answer why website for this company. Why this company should have a website, or why this freelancer, or why this somebody with an idea should have a website. Okay. Now, first of all, he is a website designer. We are looking at contact details for a website designer. Website designer. Designer. Okay. Website designer. Okay. This person here have list of skills that allow him to provide one, web solutions for marketing plan and virtual place. So first of all, this person have this idea. Second, he can set up, he can operate on setting up a network and administrated. Also, he provides support for computers, outdoor support for computers. Okay, repair. Okay, repair services and so on. So this person have three IDs. Have a list of skills for this thing, have a list of skills for this thing, and I have a list of skills for this idea. He is a developer and designer. He is a network. He is into network education, and he is into maintenance education. Okay, this is an education, and this is an education, and this is an education. You can buy your time, and buy your time. The relationship here is buy your time, okay, and buy your time, okay, and buy also your time here. Okay, so he offer this idea and this idea and this idea. This person offered that. Good. Now, what is the normal situation to offer something? I will go to the map. Not the address. Not having an address. This is a little bit. What is the difference between having an address and what is the difference between a map? Well, having an address for sales agent to handle the inbound visitors, that is an address. That's why we have an address. If you said, okay, here's my business address, if they said, okay, here's our business address, okay, these people said, okay, here's our business address, okay, and you can find people who can inside this address. This is a Reno, Nevada. Inside this address, you can find people who can help you, customer service and sales. You can find indoor care center, like here's a care center, or you can have sales agents. You can indoor sales agents. But the situation for us is we need, like, here's some marketers sending some visitors to this location, okay, or customers to this location. We have customers, and here's the care center, okay, or we have marketing plan here. I'm going, like, there's a marketing plan. We are executing marketing plan, and plus public relation plan, MPR. Okay, in other words, this is the in other words, this person here decided to have a website. If you said this person, does he have a website or not? This person here have a website. This person here do have a website, and we did build a website for him. Here's the website. Okay, this is the website. Good. So in other words, the marketer, you see marketing plan here, the marketer, let's get the marketer here, marketing plan, decided to send a folder. This one decided to send a folder. This folder, we describe this folder as a website, web folder. We call it web folder, and we call it website. Okay. How many pages this website have? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe something like that. Some pages. Okay. So why would this person need a website? Because he is on a marketing plan. There's a marketing plan that he is executing a marketing plan, and at some point he decided to go for virtuality. He said, okay, virtual place. Okay, virtual place to test my IDs. Testing my IDs. Okay, now he did pass that level, and he want to okay, providing the service. Okay, testing my IDs and providing the service. How we test something? Like, how would I test? There's people are like, if this is something people are interested in, you would say, okay, I have people here are asking what this is about, and what is this is about, and what is this about. Like, what is this about? Okay, what is web solution for marketing plan and virtual place? What is setting up a network and administration services for it? What is an outboard support for computer repairs? Okay, now the idea is you did have access on a website, on a web folder. He did provided access on a web folder for people who can help you. You can have some sales agents who can help you. You can have some sales agents who can help you. Now there is a phone number, and if you did look for that, he did provided that access through an email or a phone number. Here's a phone number. He did provided that thing as a phone number. Okay, so there is a phone number. If you did look now to the phone number, you can have access on any of these IDs. So phone is one-to-one system. Like, phone is one-to-one system. When we say, okay, here's a phone, I would say, okay, this is one-to-one system. That it will be a phone. If you said a table, here's a table, and here's a desk and table and so on. Okay, here's a desk. I would say also a desk is one-to-one system. A table. Here's a table. Indoor table. Okay, that will be one-to-one system. But if you said the website, that will be one-to-many. And if we said one-to-one, I'm referring to sales. If I said, okay, here's a one of our side and one from the people, this is sales. One-to-one sales. If I said one-to-many, this will be marketing. Let me pause a little bit. Okay, sorry for that. Now, one-to-many. When we describe one-to-many, we are referring to the word marketing. when we say okay, here's one from our side, from the team, and there's many people here, that will be marketing. Okay, and if I said one-to-one and one-to-one as a phone system and one-to-one as a location table, he did decide like here's a city. Okay, now where? Like, let's find a table and have a seat, right? That will be sales. If I did say okay, here's your table, you are an indoor in your home and so on, and here's your newspaper, here's your radio show, here's your TV show, that will be marketing, and that will be one to the most of people. One to the most of people. Okay, that will be like like here's a TV, and here is a radio, and here is a newspaper. Okay, here's a TV. If you said okay, here's a TV, and you said here's radio, okay, and you said okay, here is a newspaper, okay, we will say okay, it's not just newspaper, it's not just the interviewer here, no, and his guest. Usually we are the one, like our one here is the guest. The guest of the show today is the guest. Okay, for example, here's the guest, Don Rickles. He's dead now. I don't know. Here's the guest. He is Denzel Washington. Here's the guest. He is Bob Newhart. Here's the guest. He is Red Button, and so on. Okay, all of these people are dead, by the way. So the idea is there's another person. Okay, the idea there's another person, and this person here have a value. This one here have a value to share. For example, here's a concert. Here is an education event. Here's a webinar. Here's a workshop. Here's a value. We call it a value to people, or a story. Sometime we will share a story. They will share a story. They will share a story with people, and within there, maybe it's a TV show, talk show, maybe a radio talk show, maybe a newspaper, and that was an article about this person, okay, about this value. But the question is for our friend here, like the amount of values that you have. Like if you did ask Richard here, what is the values that you have, he will say I have 3 IDs. I'm somebody here, I have 3 IDs. I did represented, I did provide, like here's that thing, I did provide this, I did provide this, I did provide this. If you did ask me on a marketing plan, if you did ask me as a Feras on a marketing plan, where is the provide part? For example, provide, it will be number, provide outdoor support for computers, outdoor support for computer. If you did ask me on a marketing plan, if you did ask me on a marketing plan, here's 1, 2, 3, and provide outdoor support for computer. Okay, I will have 3 things here. Give me an example. Well, I will give you, like, for example, point 3. Here you have a membership card. I have a membership card here. Membership card. I will have a membership card here. Okay, I will have vouchers and discount. Vouchers and discount. Okay, here I will have I will send my team out. They are selling this thing, this membership card. Okay, and here this provide, well, this is handled by customer service and new offers by sales agents, indoor sales agent. So this might be my marketing plan, my own marketing plan. Looking to web solution for marketing plan and virtual place, I will say another plan. I will say okay, 1, write a book. I will say that I will say webinars and workshops shops. Okay, this is the marketing part. I will say, but this is the this is the private. This can be private relation or public relation. Okay, it's depend. 3, I will say, okay, provide. I will say build a system. Like, come on, build a system. I will say these words, but if you are going to continue with your skills and so on, well, provide. 4th, provide within 2 years. 2 years. Okay, why the within 2 years? Because I'm following somebody mission. The provide part here is 2 years, because, for example, I'm following Microsoft opinion, I'm following PHP opinion, I'm following Perl opinion, I'm following somebody mission. Like this provide part here is like from missions and solutions, and their development part is like 2 years, every 2 years. Okay, so this person here is following somebody mission, and if you are going to label this person, you will label him as MVP. Like Microsoft, he will own this MVP, most valuable person. He will own that. Like if this one is providing this through Microsoft, or MVP for PHP, most valuable person. Why? He did write a book, he did created webinars and workshops, and he did build his own system, or not, I don't know. And here is the here's the services. Okay, now a little bit here, if you did build a system, you will lose the label. Like if you said, okay, here's my system, like mobilize.com, you will lose the label. Like, and this label is provided, for example, by Microsoft. Or now he have his own system now for improvements, now for this every 2 years, cycle, every 2 years an update. And we call this contribution. Life reward contribution is built through how to improve this system now better. Okay, good. So why this person need a website? Because he is already on a marketing plan. What does marketing plan mean? It's mean reaching people. If I decided to reach people, I have one-to-one option, I have one-to-many option, and I have one to the most. One-to-one, and that will be the one-to-one. That will be sales, and we have telesales, we have indoor sales, we have outdoor sales, and we have one-to-many, and that will be an event, that will be a speaker, that will be a concert, that will be for free, okay, and that will be a webinar. So any tool here allow us to talk to more than one person. Like example, a video, one-to-many. And if we said one guest, here's a guest plus one to many, to most of people, that will be public relation. Usually we are guest, or this person here, celebrity, did some influence. Like, okay, I did use these people services to test my ideas, and they did allow me to reach more people. Okay, now let's get to our friend update. What we did, Mr. Richard, what we did, an update for him. He's not yet a friend for us. No, I don't know him. Okay, he's helping you when he speak with master services and with master development for a marketing plan. This person is speaking about reaching more people. If you are into that, you can type your name, email, and phone number and call him. In the present situation, here's his phone number. It's 338-1082. If you have a computer and it is really on a bad shape and it doesn't work, he can fix it. If he didn't, his work is for free. And if you did look to setting a network for your company, this person can help you. If you already have a network, this person also can help you with administrating the network, with a lot of things going on with your network thing. He can uh, back up the servers, make installation for software, monitor security setups, upgrade license, and perform general operating maintenance. And also he can do computer repair and support. If you are in Reno and Spark area, sorry for that, your computers will work normally again, or it is on the house for free. Now, who's this person? Well, this person can build beautiful mobile websites. He can help you in reaching more people. This person can help you with the internet systems. He can help you with the internet systems, and he can help you with the network itself. He guarantee creating websites which are clear to the user, visually enjoyable to visit, technical, solid, validates with W3C, and easy for users to figure it out. This means getting the information and goods to customers as fast and efficiently with a great visual presentation, and using search engine optimizing and e-commerce. How to have access on him? His phone number is 775-338-1082. So why a website? We provide websites for like I will share website with the people, so they can have access on the help, so they can have access on the customer service, so they can have access on the systems that we offer. For example, he is into control panel. He have some system here for web marketing thing, web solution for marketing, and he also can provide you, if you have some ideas and you want to change that ideas into ideas from a science, you can change that into a product or a culture or a service. Why a website for Richard? Well, to have access on Richard, just here it is. Here's his phone number. Okay, or in general, why would I have a website? I'm generating leads. I'm sales agent. If you are sales agent now, here is my product or idea, just only the idea or the program table label, and here's the name and the email and the phone, and now I generated a lead with the state of mind they are asking what it is about. Here's a request for an outbound call for what it is about. Here's an inbound call for what it is about. What is this webmaster services and website development for marketing plan. Now, internet is the virtuality, marketing is a product, price, promotion, and a place. And if you did look to these, let me show you something. Here's the pizza, here's the product, price, promotion, and the place. Order now. This place was virtual, this was Domino's Pizza, and I can click this here with the help of the website. Okay, here's the product, price, large 3 tipping pizzas. That was the promotion, and this is a promotional image. We call this a promotional image. Here's the idea. Now the idea is within a promotional image. Here's the price, so on, and here's the order now. The call to action is order now. Now they can have it indoor, like they can have this thing indoor if they did continue with the sales forum or the payment gateway. Thank you very much for watching. You can find this file. Within the description. Have a great rest of the day, and bye bye. If you are looking for new people, the IT people are the one who are supposed to help you. That will be the virtual place. Other choice is the map. Go to the street and start talking to people. Have a great rest of the day. Have a great start of the day, and bye bye.